Hey, good morning. Here I am able to present the topic of data science in telecom, while I'll be discussing about the concepts of data science and how it is applicable to the telecom industry. So let me begin by saying thanks for the opportunity. We just start with the definition of data science. Definition is like data science is a concept basically to unify statistics, data analysis, machine learning, the domain knowledge, be it any vertical like banking or healthcare or retail or life sciences, and it also gives the method in order to understand and analyze the actual phenomena that you have to play with the data. So data science, according to me, is related to data mining, where you get the data, cull out the data, share the data, identify the right data, and then deep learning, where you use some kind of algorithms, and big data, basically it's an advantageous place where you can store or configure or push pull the data. So basically data science is a tune with three words: data mining, deep learning, and big data. So let me explain you the data life cycle. So there are 5 processes in this. Let's understand at least the 5 processes. The first one is capture, where you capture the data, you acquire the data through data acquisition techniques. You have a data entry, where you kind of key in the data or source the data from various sources. Signal reception and data extraction. You take the meaningful data of the data that you have captured. Then it go into the you can either go with the communication, or you can also do the maintenance. Though you push the data to various data warehousing, data cleansing you do a data staging, data processing, and data architecture. This entire process is what we call as exploratory data analysis. Then you process the data with mining techniques, modeling, and summarization. After that, you do an analysis, where you do any kind of analytic techniques, or you can do some kind of predictive analytics or preventive analytics or futuristic analytics to explore whether the data is right or not. And finally you communicate. Basically you use visualization tools, or you have reporting tools, or you use the old school business intelligence, and the current one, which is kind of what we call it as a decision making. So in this entire thing, we basically understand what is a data science, and this is applicable for us in telecom. For example, if I'm acquiring a customer with say $10 plan, you have to undergo the entire life cycle. So that's one of the key things that we have to understand. So to just summarize, we have seen in the thing definition of what is data science. Now we are saying what is data science life cycle, which helps in capture, process, maintain, analyze, and communicate. So as a data scientist or a data engineer or a data architect, you have to understand this cycle very clearly. You have to understand the nuances of each and every step, like what is data acquisition, what is data mining, what are the techniques of data mining, how do you maintain the data, what is regression, what is text mining, where text mining is used, what is business intelligence, and how do you use business intelligence to communicate. So overall the entire life cycle has to be clear with as a subject matter expert or as an industry consultant. With that, I just complete the fundamental what is data science and how it is relevant in the life cycle. So here I am giving you a quiz. So you have to answer what is data science is a subject involving which of the following: science, arts, statistics, and data. It's a multiple choice, so you have more than one option. That is important for you to, so you can mark in the answer sheet that we have given, and you can help us to identify which is the correct answer. It's a very simple question. We have already discussed in the earlier slides involving this. So we also close this entire module with assignment. As you are from the product department, I will suggest you guys to go back, and depending on the role, you have to prepare a data science life cycle. I have given you the standard diagram, that 5 steps. So you have to understand which steps is applicable as per your role, and you have to make a slide deck of the each and every step in terms of tools, processes, how do you actually cull out the data, and other things. That is quite key for us to get into a life cycle for data science based on your product department and the role. So you can use your imagination, you can use your slides, or you want to come out with a video presentation. it's okay. But what I kind of give you is a 1 week time to go back and think through and come and present the assignment through an email to me. If you have any clarification, I've given my email ID. You can always reach out to me. So all the best, and hope this module was interesting to you, and look forward for the next set of modules. Thank you.